Well, this is a quick video to update the where I am with the tower project and the Force 12. It's kind of a gloomy, rainy day in De Leon Springs here on Glenwood Oaks Lane. But you can see that the antenna now has two additional elements. These are linear loaded 40-meter elements from a high gain Discovery 72. They work quite well. They're not very big. They're 44 feet long. So if you look at the shortest element on the front of the antenna, that's a full-size 10-meter element. So they're larger than that. They're literally 44 feet long, but they're linear loaded, which means they're not full size, not the full size that they would be half wave on 40 meters, which would be somewhere around 64 feet. Instead, they're at about 44 feet. The linear loading is quite sophisticated. It took me about 3 days to build the linear loaded 40-meter elements, and it took me almost 3 weeks from the time I brought the tower down to build the antenna on the boom with the tilt plate allowing me to work with it chest high until I felt safe taking it back up in the air. Took a little while to add the linear loaded elements, build them each correctly. Took a little time to study and decide exactly how to manage the truss to hold the boom in place. I finally went with the heavy cable from high gain and with the truss bolts and mounting brackets from Force 12. They seem to be the better option. And then from the tilt plate, I added an upright and was able to set the tension on the truss so that it holds the beam and the boom of the beam fairly level. So it worked out very well. Just a quick update to let you see what it looks like. The antenna sits above the top of the trees just barely, gives me a good shot at the horizon. It should be a very effective antenna, and I've been having a lot of fun with it on 40 meters. Still works exceptionally well on 20, 15, and 10. So it's been a good project with a good outcome. Thank you for listening.